Are you looking for something festive to make for the holidays with paper rolls? Watch this video and I'll show you how to make these cute snowman s'mores. The supplies you'll need are a paper roll, cardboard, scissors, white and brown paint, a ruler, a pencil, a black pen, and a black, orange, and pink marker. Oh, and I forgot to include it, but you do need a glue gun. Let's begin with making the marshmallows. First, measure and cut 2-inch thick strips out of the roll. Paint it white to make it look like a marshmallow. Use the brown paint to make it look like melting chocolate. Time to add the snowman's face. Next, let's make graham crackers by measuring and cutting 2 1/4-inch squares. I'm drawing perforated lines and dots to add a little bit more detail. The last step is to glue the marshmallow to the graham crackers. And this is the final result. Festive little snowman s'mores to have fun stacking or just for cute decorations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy holidays!